Good afternoon, Baba. Where's your hat? Get your hat. Where's your hat? Where's your hat? Good afternoon, guys. It's still day off, so every day is going out. We're going out again. We're going to Wroxham boat. We're gonna ride. Is that a speedboat?
No.
What they call that? A paddle boat.
I'm just gonna go and ride on one of the boats that goes on the water, not a paddle boat.
Of course, the boat is going in the water. We've got some boat in here is going in the road.
Cheeky britches.
Cheeky bitch. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna get ready. Then we're gonna get dressed, and we're gonna go. And we're going to Wroxham. There you go, guys. We're getting ready and we're going out. Come on.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Is that record?
Yeah, we're nearly at Wroxham now, guys. So we're just last little bit of drive, like probably not even 5 minutes, and then we're there, guys. So then we can have a look round and go and have a look for the water and find the boat.
I think the boat is in the road, not in the water.
That's floating down the road. We're gonna go and have a look, guys. We're nearly there. We're just waiting for the last bit of road to end, and then we're there. See if we can find any ducks or swans on the water, because usually when you come to Wroxham, where we're going, you can see swans and ducks on the water, and you can feed the ducks. So it's quite nice. Joshua would probably like doing that, so we'll have a look.
Bring the bread.
Oh, that's right. You can get one for 50p.
Yeah, there is loads of swan in here. A tiny one like that.
Tiny one. Yeah, there are quite a few swans here, guys, on the water, so it's quite nice because the children like feeding the ducks and the swans, which is quite nice. So we're nearly there, guys, and then we'll find the boat and go for a ride, and then we'll have a look around the shop, well, the couple of shops here afterwards, but we're nearly there, guys. We're travelling down the road, so not far to go now, guys. He's in drive mode.
We're here! We're here now, guys, and look at that. Look at the view, guys. That boat we're gonna go. We're gonna go that boat. We're just gonna get a ticket and we gotta get in there. But I'm hungry, so are you hungry, Baba? I'm hungry, so a little bit time to get in there. I think we got 20 minutes to get the ticket, and thank you. Yeah, we got 10 minutes to get the ticket to get in the boat. We'll have a look what they're gonna get in there. Rachel is there. She's getting a ticket. How much is, baby? What, 21 each?
No, 21 altogether. Because it's 10.50.
Did you get the ticket?
Yeah, in my hand.
No, they're leaving now. We're gonna get left behind.
We got it.
We got the ticket.
We got it. And he got a little parcel.
Is that free for him?
Yeah, he's free, but you have to have that just to say that he's under 5. But he isn't 5.
That's why you're free. You get a free ticket. Just get a free ticket.
Yeah, you got a free ticket because you're small.
Lucky you.
You're small.
We're going there now, guys. We got the ticket. So some people are going through now. We got a ticket. We don't want to be left behind. Otherwise, we have to wait another 2 years to get in there.
Not quite 2 years, but sometimes.
We going on board, guys. We going on board. Look. Going up, baby, yeah?
I don't know. It depends if you can get up there.
Yeah, there is some.
Yeah, but you got to sit. You're not allowed to stand.
Yeah, there's some lift in there going up, I think. Oh, there's a 2 boat in there, so
There's only one going. Apparently.
it's only one.
Apparently, is what you told me.
We going in that boat. So
Sorry.
You alright then?
Yeah. You've got to get him on.
Yeah, you can leave the pusher here if you want to. We can take it with you. So.
Don't really want to leave it here, to be
Okay,
honest.
that's absolutely fine. So maybe you just take it back and carry on.
Yeah. Do you want to take? You have to put that down and take him.
just you're on board. Are you on board? We are on board, guys. So we're just waiting to take off.
Take off. We're just waiting to leave. Set sail.
There's another one there. We're just waiting to the pilot to take off. Is he, Baba? Where's the pilot? Are you the pilot? Abu. We're ready to take off. You're moving, Josh. You want to sit in there? Is that alright?
Yeah, there's no one here.
We're moving now, guys. We're moving now, guys. Look. We go to the runway and get ready to take off.
Pull in Mummy's watch. There's some swans.
So guys, we got 2 hours.
Well over 100 years ago, with converted wherries.
Right, in a boat,
Passengers on
2 hours.
cruises around the Broad Sea. Now, at the same time, John Williams took a few of his friends. The company was founded back in 1935 by an early retired bank manager whose name was Charles Hanlon, who was also a very talented artist
That's
and
Rachel
author
property.
who loved the Broads very much.
I wish.
Enjoyed painting and writing about this.
That's Rachel property.
In 1948, he produced a small guidebook for his passengers, which contains a map and several of his paintings. Very interesting read, actually. We've had it reprinted today, especially for our passengers. And if you'd like to purchase a souvenir copy, then Fiona will be coming around with them very shortly.
Barnes,
known as a charm of
Greencroft.
the Broads, very reasonable.
That's Rachel property.
Holiday
Make a
boats.
memento of your trip.
Nice place, guys. Hope you enjoyed the view.
Say hi.
to our left
Made of
there,
straw.
for example, they're a regular
They call
theme
what?
along this stretch, and we'll be
Thatched
going past quite a
cottages,
few
they're
more
made of
those
straw.
over the next
Yeah.
few minutes or so.
We call them
Probably
bahay
one of the more
kubo.
famous houses
They
of
last
the
for
bunch.
about, what,
It's
30
right
years,
next
and then you have
on
to
our
replace your
right-hand
roof.
side. So we have quite a nice little scene here, a couple of large.
Yeah,
beautiful
we
trees,
call them
great
bahay
ladies, the
kubo.
younger one just down
Made
there.
by,
And down the end of
straw.
this long
Yeah,
green garden,
because
we
it's
have
only,
quite a nice little white house nestled
straw, and the
in
weather
amongst
here
the
is
trees
damp.
there.
They
That's
only
called
last 30
Herring.
years.
That was once owned by the popular entertainer George Ford. Songs and ukulele accompaniment. Now his time of ownership was actually named Beraldine after his wife, and they had 3
Find out about that. It'd be quite nice to go on there.
Where?
The Broad Nature Trail.
Are we going back now? Not yet. It's a nice place, guys. This water is handmade.
Man-made.
Oh, sorry,
It is
this
handmade, but man-made.
man-made. Only one people.
No. Not one single
On
bird.
our left-hand side now, around this next bench.
Yeah, it's man-made, guys. All made by
Very well hidden out there. That's
our
what
own
makes it so
hands
good.
many years
Such
ago.
as the bittern, swallowtail, butterfly, etc. to be able to thrive. The only access
Yeah, guys,
points
if
as
you can
well
see that
are by river
water
access to
behind
by
us.
roads and sorts of different wilderness
This
out
is a
there, almost
man-made.
untouched wilderness, but very lovely place for wildlife
Ages
to be
ago,
able to
only
thrive.
one
That's often
people
great
made
for
this
us.
water.
He's joking, guys. It's man-made, but many people made this years ago by hand. It's man-made by human hand.
What, no tools?
Yeah, but you know what I mean. Handmade by the people. It's not done by machinery, guys. It's done by man-made. They made this centuries ago. That's quite impressive how they done this. It's a very beautiful place, though, guys.
And the water, guys, is crystal clear. Look.
It's not crystal clear, but it's good for it's good for nature, guys. Good for animals and birds, mammals and birds. And look at the ducks, guys. There's loads there. Look at all them near that boat, guys. There's there's loads of wildlife here, guys, which is really nice. A man-made lake for the boats to go down, but they keep it looking. They look after this area for the mammals, for the animals. It's a really beautiful place to go. There's loads of boats and lovely.
This way to our right-hand side, we have a couple of very large, lovely wooden sailing boats.
Yeah, it's lovely, guys. Look at the nice boats, guys. Nice wooden boats.
Barton Railway agreement at the beginning of the ship. There weren't full thrust trip boat skippers. Both of these were actually built in Wroxham by a gentleman called Ernest Collins. The Olive was built back in 1909, that's the one just the other side there, and the Marada was built in 1912. Both of these looked after in Barton Railway by the Wherry Yacht Charter Trust. So you get a lovely view. Again, a couple of fantastic historical boats, these two, away there to the right hand side. A couple of lovely they do come into view over the next few moments or so. They are smack bang in the middle there. In fact, here we go, get a slightly better view of them actually from here as well. So we've got the adult one in the middle there, the younger ones just swimming in behind. So hopefully try and pick them out.
It's quiet now, guys. We're going back now to the airport.
Not the airport.
We go to landing now.
Going back to the boat dock.
I've got a little bit of jet lag.
We're going back to the boat dock. We're on the journey back, so just having a nice slow glide across the water.
Yeah.
Nice calm ride and just looking at the scenery.
Yeah, this boat ride, guys, it takes 2 hours. So I think we are in halfway.
Yeah, it's a nice 2 hours. We're more than halfway. We're now going back to the end of the journey. So
We might reach the docking station about 11 o'clock at night, isn't it?
well, if we arrive at 11 o'clock at night, the boat was broke down.
Because the boat is really, really high speed, guys, like a speedboat.
5 miles an hour. Jet propelled, 5 miles an hour. Very speedy.
Yeah, that's why we are very, very careful, and we didn't put our seatbelt on, so.
But yeah, we're on the nice, slow, relaxing journey back now, guys. Just having a nice glide across the water, looking at the nice scenery, guys. All the wildlife and the lovely water. Lovely, guys. Very peaceful. Very calming and soothing. Very nice, guys. Enjoyed it.
Looks like you're in Greece, like a floating village, floating houses, and all the houses is near in the water. They're all in the edge.
For 1.25 million, you got this there cash on your mattress. Maybe fancy changes.
We are back in the city now, guys, so we're nearly there, about 5 minutes. Hey guys, we're near now in the docking. That's a big horn.
nice houses.
We got a 2 hours boat ride, guys. Now I'm hungry.
Really nice, guys, though. Lovely ride round. Very beautiful and pretty and quiet.
And there's a North. So we're going back now, guys, to where we start from the beginning. And we are hungry. I'm starving.
He's starving, Marvin.
We're gonna land it now.
I'm gonna land. He's on a plane, guys.
I'm gonna have a bit a jet lag. It's nice, guys. Have fun.
It was nice.
I
Very
enjoy
nice.
it. We
Really
enjoy it.
enjoyed going around, looking at all the lovely wildlife and scenery. It's beautiful.
And it's really cheap, guys. £10 each for 2 hours drive.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Not bad, isn't it, for 2 hours?
And you can get a drink or anything if you wanted anything downstairs.
Yeah, but it's not free.
No, but I'm just saying.
The pilot works very well. You can landing very well.
He's very good at driving the boat.
Now we attach to the docking. We landed. I've got a little bit of a jet lag, guys. We're going up to the bridge, guy, and you can see the boat and swans in here. Yeah. There, guys, look at the view.
Really nice, guys.
Really
Lovely.
nice view.
Really beautiful, guys.
We've been there with the boat.
Where that boat is now travelling, that's where we went. And there's loads of birds, ducks, pigeons, swans, all having their feed down here, guys.
I'm hungry now. We're
There's
going for
It's a nice hotel and restaurant and cafe down here, which we've been in before. It's lovely.
I'm hungry now. We haven't looked for a food.
Yeah, you know, fish and chips.
No, I don't want fish and chips. We got some McDonald's in there, so we can go to the McDonald's.
We go down here then, guys, and see if we can find something.
We're hungry. So we go to McDonald's then. Oh, we're home.
Yeah, nearly home. Last bit of the journey, guys, and then we're nearly home. Had a lovely day at Wroxham. Now we've had a trip on the boat. So now we're driving home, and we're nearly home, guys.
We're home, 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 we're come on. We're home, we're home, we're home, we're home, we're home. Whew. We're home, guys. Another day is gone. And another day is tomorrow coming. We're still up tomorrow. So we're going out again tomorrow. Just keep going out, you know. Spend money for the makeup and makeup again and another makeup. Yeah, guys.
He's just being cheeky, guys.
Yeah, guys. We enjoy a lovely day today. We went to the Wroxham and then we went to the boat where the boat is going on the expressway, and then they take off in the airport, and then when they landed back, I have got a little bit jet lag, so I'm tired. I need a rest. So
Bit crazy, guys. No, the boat went on the water. It was really nice, guys. We had a nice light glide round, had a nice sail around the sea, around the water, around the Broads. It was really nice, guys. We did have a lovely day.
okay, guys, I'm gonna upload this video, and thank you for watching, guys. And if you like our travel tour, just give us a thumbs up. And those people who didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe. We're home, we're home. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.